Hello everyone, welcome to Market Update. Last week we have seen a lot of central banks giving speech on ACB Forum Central Bank, starting by Christine Lagarde. She gave a clear hint that she will hike in July, and she stressed on the 2% inflation target, and she said the fight against inflation is not over yet. Andrew Bailey, also the head of Bank of England, he said that we are serious about fighting the inflation. That's why we hiked by 50 basis points, and he stressed more on the 2% target. Jerome Powell, the last one, he said that we might not reach the target by 2% by this year or even 2024, and he expects he will reach the target by 2025. This week we might see a lot of that, especially on Tuesday, coming from the Central Bank of Australia. We might increase the interest rate by 25 basis points from 4.1 to 4.35. And also, Tuesday we have Independence Day holiday in US. That's why we see the US stock market close. On Thursday, we'll have jobless claim data, which the Fed is looking to slow down that one, as well as ISM services PMI, which might find a read above 50, that's a good data for US. And on Friday, we will see the Canadian data jobs, followed by the USA non-farm payroll, as usual on Friday, the first Friday in every month, which might find a slow in that data, and that might help the Fed to increase the interest rate in July. Last week, we have seen the close of the first half of the year. It was a very good news for all the traders and investors, especially who invested in Apple after closing the market cap with $3 trillion. And all the US stock markets, they closed in a positive, especially S&P closing 17% this half. And the good news was Nasdaq closing the first half with 40% gain. It's the best gain in 40 years, adding a $5 trillion to its market cap, thanks to the AI's stocks. Gold closed 5.3%, which is as usual. In the past 15 years, we always see the gold close in a positive area, except for only 2 years. And the surprise to the market, the Bitcoin closed the first half with 84%. And the thanks goes to the big institutes applying for the ETFs, but the MicroStrategy adding more and more Bitcoins to its wallet. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more markets.